Hey guys, and welcome back into another video. My name is Jason and I can't wait to get into this video today, guys. You are going to want to stick around for this. We're going to be taking a quick look at over some of the charts that we did for the last few stocks I'd mentioned last week on my channel, because they have been outperforming the market and we are up about 15 to 83% on nearly every single one of those trades just in the last week, which is incredible. And on top of that, I do have another stock that I can't wait to throw on your radar. I've been doing a lot of research for this company, so I cannot wait to dive into those financials for you guys and show off those technical support lines to help you guys out. If you do find value at any point in this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed, then do join the family of investors here. Hit that big red subscribe button and follow along on this journey so we can make money together. My name is Jason, and bear with the sound in this video because my Blue Yeti microphone did break. I have ordered a new one and it should be here by Wednesday in 2 days, so my sound will be back up at crystal clear for you guys. So let's just start by going over SOL. This is Rene Solar. I did mention it in my last two videos. About 5 days ago, I did pop this one on your radar. It had a really nice pullback, and as you know, I like to come down here, and it has downwards from the 50 EMA, and also this is the EMA here and the 21 EMA, so it's actually past it. So I knew that at some point this was going to have a pullback, especially if we reached that 100 SMA line, which we almost did, and we almost went below on the RSI as well. And I have been doing a lot of research. This was about a 40% drop, guys, in the price from about $37 to $38. And we have seen about a 15% upside today on the share price. At one point, it did actually reach beyond $24.50. So if you did get in at the share price of around $19 when this was at its lows, then congratulations, because you would have made over about 15% on that trade today. This one I am going to be holding for the long term. The next stock that I just want to quickly go over for you guys was ABML. Now, ABML has come down. We had all bought back in here. I did mention this one to put on your radar as a buy, and it has since pushed back up to that near $4 range. So we're doing really well. That one's actually up 15% today. Congratulations there. And HCMC, I actually did mention in my last video as well, about 3 videos ago, and I said that this stock could be very volatile. It's a huge risk, but this one has actually jumped up, and we had, well, 100% gain today. So you can see there that that is absolutely phenomenal. Again, this is kind of one of those stocks that you just have fun with. I'd put a really tiny percent of my portfolio in it, but it's a bit of fun and it is up. I'm pretty happy with that one there. So that's just a little fun. Now, Tesla, I did say that Tesla had actually bounced down to that 100 SMA line, and this was a buy zone. I listened to the conference call, and if you want to listen to anything like that, then do be sure to check out my video that I'll link above. I have a lot of jam-packed information about Tesla and why I believe that they are going up to $1,500 in the future. Now, if you did get in on that, that was a nice 5 to 6% upside just for today, and I do feel like this is going to be that new area of support around the $830 zone. So guys, the next stock which we did pick out was BFT. So this is PaySafe, and again, I did say to pop that one on your radar. So the next stock I want to bring to your attention was BFT, and BFT, again, I said and I mentioned on this channel, anywhere below $15 would be a good buy. And again, we have actually seen a pullback and a retracement all the way to that 200 SMA line. It's just a matter of time till this merger with PaySafe goes through and we are retesting those highs of $20. So congratulations to anyone that did get in there, because again, you have seen a nice upside of 8% today. This is going to be a killer and a stellar performer. I feel like this is going to be a monster growth stock in your portfolio. If you don't have BFT, do some research on them. I do feel like this is going to be at least a 3 or 4x position in the coming year or two. So make sure you do your research on that one. So guys, the attention that I want to bring to you guys today is a new stock which is called Sunworks. So Sunworks is a solar stock. It's this one here. They have actually just announced that Isun Energy is what they are, and they have announced a 2.2 million contract offering with a solar EV charging and energy infrastructure with Median Housing Authority. So that's really, really exciting. I was actually on their website, and check this out. They have like such a great product. They actually have these solar canopies, as you can see. People drive in and they actually gain energy from the solar sun. Then they recharge the car. I mean, it's just like a phenomenal thing. And they're selling these in, quite expensive. They start at a range of about $60,000 and they go all the way up. This would be like one block. You can get a certain amount of blocks. Obviously, it's cheaper the more you buy in bulk, and they add reoccurring revenues to Isun. So this is a really, really great brand, and they have a fantastic product, and if this really does go commercial, and you know they're going to be getting a lot of orders from big fleets, for example, like this, once you do see those big fleets ordering them, and you know you've got the backing of Joe Biden with smart energy right now with tax credits, and this has had a really great pullback, which is what I'm going to be talking about again on the charts here. So if we bring up the charts, we actually did see highs of about $30. We have now had a massive pullback all the way to $17, so we're about 46% down on this trade, guys. And you know it's just a matter of time until this one starts to bounce back up. We have actually gone below that 50 on the RSI, so I do feel like that is going to find a new level of support, and it's just a matter of time until we bounce back up, because we are now at that 100 SMA line. So we've got optimum entry there, we've got two confirmations, we've had a pullback and a run down. We're at the mid-range support on the RSI, and we are also at the SMA 50, and we are bouncing, as you can see, this nice green candle. So it's just a matter of time, guys, with this merger going through, that this company is going to have really great revenues. I've actually got a price target on this of about $35 by the end of the year. I'm going to be holding this one for a long term. If this does move up rapidly, then I will consider taking some profits. But this is a company that I wanted to bring to your attention. Again, feel free to do any more research on them that you find. I just feel like they are going to be in a really good space moving forward. And again, it's not often you get a pullback in a stock of about 40% in a week. But again, with the markets did see this broad range sell off because of all of the GameStop hype, and you know there was a lot that was happening in the markets right now, and people are kind of going crazy over everything, which is why we have seen a sell off. But I do think, you know, in a week or two, you know, all this stuff is going to settle down, and it was just a matter of time till the S&P 500 catches back up, and everything that are at these lows right now will convert back up to those moving stocks where everything is going up again. So just throw this one on your radar. And the last stock that I want to be talking to you guys about today is NIO. And of course, NIO did actually have their deliveries today of 7,225 vehicles in January. So that is a huge whopping increase year over year of 352%. Guys, this stock, it's just a matter of time till it blows up. Don't be scared of the noise right now, of all the shorts telling you that, you know, NIO's in a bubble and it's going to pop. It really is not. This stock is going to 2 or 3x by the end of the year. I have a price target on NIO, as I'll keep saying to you guys, of $150 by the end of the year, if not more. Now, NIO obviously is bouncing off, like I said, that triple bottom here. And with those delivery numbers, it's just a matter of time until we get a catch up in that share price. And we do see investors pouring their money back into NIO with confidence. And again, once we do see that nice retest of $66, and as soon as it breaks that resistance line, it's just a matter of time until NIO goes up well beyond the $60 range. So make sure, if you're not invested in NIO, do some more due diligence and research, but this is one stock to put on your radar for the week ahead, especially at this zone that it's currently at, because I don't think that we are going to be seeing these lines for much longer. And again, just to let you know that we are at the 100 SMA line, guys, so that is a really, really good technical indication that we are at an optimum price where potentially this stock could be moving up in the very near future. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick update. Again, stay safe out there in the markets. I want to always give you a tip at the end of every single episode. So again, in my tips that I want to be telling you about today is just remember that when there is a red day, don't worry about the noise and the fluctuation. Always have your conviction set. So if you know that you've gone into a trade, if you know you've gone into a stock, then just remember the reason that you went into it. Don't be scared because it's in the red and then panic sell out. Is probably one of the worst things you can do. You can always set a stop limit order. So if it does go down a certain amount, it can buy you out if you have a stop limit. But if you're invested for the long term like me, I don't tend to use stop losses because again, those daily fluctuations, they don't really faze me when things are moving up and down over the space of about 2 to 3 months. Then again, we'll see a push in those share prices, and hopefully that by then they won't be anywhere near your entry points, especially if you have used your technical analysis, your support, your resistance, your SMA, your EMA and your RSI, and you are getting those optimum entry levels where then hopefully you'll see a nice increase in the share price in the future. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then be sure to give it a like. Thanks for bearing with the sound. I hope you found some value in this. Take care, and I'll be updating you guys tomorrow with some new picks, and we'll chat back in then. Have a good night.